Greetings, A-level chemists. Okay, here we've got our Arrhenius equation question because that's what you guys wanted. So let's get cracking, okay? So the Arrhenius equation is K is equal to AE minus EA over RT, okay? So you have to work out A, the Arrhenius constant, and I think you're given everything else. So what we're going to do is divide through both sides by base e raised to the power of minus EA over RT. So K divided by e to the power of minus EA over RT equals A. Okay, so these guys are going to cancel out. So that is simply how you get A. Where do we go next? I'm going to write down my variables. So I'm given K. I'm just going to put a line there, just separating this stuff out. So I'm just box that up. K is 3.46 times 10 to the minus 8, s to the minus 1. Okay, R is a constant, which is 8.31 joules per mole per Kelvin. Okay, so I've done R, I've done K. EA is 96.2, but there's a kilojoules here. Note that your gas constant is in joules, so your units have to be consistent. So this is going to be 96.2 times 10 to the 3 joules per mole. So we've taken care of the EA there, and you're also given the temperature in degrees C. So you have to add 273 to it to get it into Kelvin. So that's going to be 298 on the Kelvin scale. So now, where do we go next? Okay, so what I'm going to do is take this in bits. I'm going to take care of this here. Okay, so I'm just going to look at that term. So minus EA is going to be minus 96.2 times 10 to the 3. And that's all over 8.31 times 298. So minus EA over RT is equal to, let's do that on your calculator. So minus 96.2 times 1000 all over 8.31 times 298. And that gives me minus 38.847, okay? So then, what I can do next is, so that's probably where step 1 is. Step number 2 is going to be e to the power of minus EA over RT is going to be e to the power of minus 38.847. So shift base e to the power of that one that you just worked out gives me 1.3457 times 10 to the minus 17. Okay. Cool. Where are we? So then finally we have, that's going to have no units, by the way. And then finally, where do we go? We're dividing that number. So we've got K, and we're going to divide K by that number. So K is going to be, so let's just put A is going to be equal to 3.46 times 10 to the minus 8. All over that number, which is 1.3457 times 10 to the minus 17. And by the way, K has units of per second, so s to the minus 1. So 3.46 times 10 to the minus 8 divided by that value gives me a big, big number. So you should get 2.57. So 2.57 times 10 to the power of 9. And the units are seconds to the minus 1. Okay, thank you for watching. See you later.